In this video, we are solving exercise 5.1 continuity and differentiability, 26th question onwards. Find the values of k so that the function f is continuous at the indicated points in exercises 26 to 29. 26th question. F of x equals to k cos 2x cos x by pi minus 2x if x not equals to pi by 2. X not equals to pi by 2. 3 if x is equals to pi by 2 at x is equals to pi by 2. This is the question. So what we need to find here? We need to find k value. This function is continuous at x is equals to pi by 2. So by the definition of continuity, so f of pi by 2 is equals to limit x tends to pi by 2 of f of x. Because f is continuous at x is equals to pi by 2. At x is equals to pi by 2. Therefore, limit x tends to pi by 2 of f of x is equals to f of pi by 2. So, f of pi by 2 is equals to, when x is equals to pi by 2, this function value is 3. So, 3 equals to limit x tends to pi by 2. X is approximately equals to pi by 2, not equals to pi by 2. Approximately equal to pi by 2, not exactly pi by 2, right? So that means x is not equals to pi by 2. Then f of x is equals to what? K cos x by pi minus 2x, right? Now, if you substitute x is equals to pi by 2, denominator we are getting pi minus 2 into pi by 2, pi minus pi is 0. Not defined. So that how by changing, you see, let pi minus 2x you take as theta. Then pi minus theta is equals to 2x. X is equals to pi minus theta by 2. That is x equals to pi by 2 minus theta by 2. Right? When x is tends to pi by 2, when x is tends to pi by 2, then theta tends to, theta is equals to what we assume? Pi minus 2 into x. X is equals to what? X is equals to pi by 2 substitute here. 2 get cancelled, pi minus pi is 0. That means theta tends to 0. When x tends to pi, x is tends to pi by 2, theta tends to 0. Now you substitute in this equation. So 3 is equals to limit x tends to pi by 2, theta tends to what? 0. Theta tends to 0. K into cos of x. What is the x? Pi by 2 minus theta by 2. Pi by 2 minus theta by 2. By x, pi minus 2x is equals to what we assume? Theta. This is equals to 3 into k constant before limit. Limit theta tends to 0. Cos 90 minus theta. Cos 90 minus theta sin theta. So, sin theta by 2 by theta. This is 3 is equals to k into limit theta tends to 0 sin of 1 by 2 into theta by theta. This is equals to 3 into k. This is the form of limit theta tends to 0 sin of a into theta by theta. This is equals to what? A. So here that means theta coefficient. Theta coefficient what? 1 by 2 we are getting. So 2 is taken left side, 2 3s are 6, 6 is equals to k. Therefore K value is 6. K value is 6. This is like this we are solving. This one no, some assumptions is there, and this is the important question also. This is the previous question. So this question, but especially in this chapter, in this limit continuity, this is a very important question. So this one you watch twice, thrice this way, this part, this question way. So like this we are solving. Next to 27th question. Next to 27th is the f of x is equals to kx square if x is less than or equal to 2, 3 if x is greater than 2, it is continuous at x is equals to 2. So this function f of x is continuous at x is equals to 2. This is a continuous. So f of 2 equal to, by the definition of continuity, f of 2 is equals to limit x tends to 2 minus of f of x is equals to limit x tends to 2 plus of f of x. How I written this one? By the definition of continuity. So you take this equal, otherwise this equal. Then you are getting the solution. So I am taking these two, you see, f of 2, when x is equals to 2, f of x is equals to kx square. Then f of 2 value is k into 2 square. Understood? K into 2 square. Otherwise you take this equality. If you take this equality, what we are getting? Limit x tends to 2 minus. 2 minus means the function you take as kx square. 2 plus you take as 3. Then we are getting the solution. Otherwise first and last you take it. Right? By taking any equality, we are getting k value. I am taking left hand limit, right hand limit are equal. I am taking, you see now. Limit x tends to 2 minus of f of x is equals to limit x tends to 2 plus of f of x. That implies limit x tends to 2 minus. 2 minus means x is less than 2. When x is less than 2, f of x is equals to kx square. Equals to limit x tends to 2 plus. 2 plus means x is greater than 2, f of x is 3. Now 2 minus means x is substitute now x is equals to 2. What we are getting? K into 2 square is equals to, when you substitute this is the constant function. So limit is equals to that constant only we are getting. 2 square 4, 4k is equals to 3. K is equals to 3 by 4 is the answer. K value what? 3 by 4. So like this we are solving. Otherwise you take this equal, we are getting same answer. This one equal, we are getting same answer. By seeing that notes, you don't confuse. So which equal we taken, you observe properly, then you write the notes. If you didn't understood from the notes, just to simply copy from the video. This particular solution, if you didn't understand means, so you copy from the video. Okay. So like this we are solving 27th. Now 28th question. 28th question. 1 minute, you listen here. So from by side, so still no one asks single doubt. From March, April onwards we started these classes. So April to now July, April, May, June, July, 4 months. From these 4 months, at least one student, especially from the boys, single student, they didn't question single doubt. Are you following or writing or notes, or I don't know. So if you get the doubts, you call me, I will explain that your doubts. But you watch regularly, and now regularly next weekly once I will conduct the test. Every week, weekly once I will conduct the test. You write the test, you attend the test. After finishing the test, immediately you send your answer you send your answer sheets to my WhatsApp number. I will correct you each paper. On each paper you write your name. Then I will correct your papers. I will give the marks. Okay? You watch regular videos because mathematics is a different subject. If you watch the videos, if you practice, it is very easy. Otherwise, it is very difficult. You say in maths, most of the students they are getting good marks. At the same time, most of the students they are in science, especially in science, they are getting fail marks in maths only. Not only in Karnataka, throughout India or throughout world, mathematics is a different topic. If you know it is very easy. If you feel difficult, it is a very difficult. So you watch regular and you write the test, you practice and you write the test, then it is easy for you. So all the people, you watch regular videos. Next, coming to 28. This function defined like this, it is continuous at x is equals to pi. This is continuous at x is equals to pi, so f of x is continuous at x is equals to pi. So f of pi is equals to limit x tends to pi minus of f of x is equals to limit x tends to pi plus of f of x. Now you take this equality, left hand right hand limits. Limit x tends to pi minus of f of x is equals to limit x tends to pi plus of f of x. Limit x tends to pi minus. Pi minus means x less than pi or greater than pi. From pi we are subtracting some value. That means x is less than pi. X is less than pi, f of x defined as kx plus 1. Kx plus 1 is equals to limit x tends to pi plus. Pi plus means x is greater than of pi. F of x is cos x. Now you substitute x is equals to pi 1. K pi plus 1 is equals to cos pi. K pi is equals to cos pi value minus 1. 1 is taken right side minus 1. K is equals to minus 2 by pi is the answer. K is equals to minus 2 by pi is the answer. Next to question number 29. Next to question number 29. F of x is equals to kx plus 1 if x is less than or equals to 5. 3x minus 5 if x is greater than 5. It is continuous at x is equals to 5. So here this function is f of x is continuous at x is equals to 5. At x is equals to 5, it is continuous. So by the definition of continuity, f of 5 is equals to limit x tends to 5 minus of f of x equals to limit x tends to 5 plus of f of x. Now I am taking LHS, left hand limit, right hand limit are equal. So limit x tends to 5 minus of f of x is equals to limit x tends to 5 plus of f of x. Limit x tends to 5 minus means x is less than 5. F of x is kx plus 1 is equals to limit x tends to 5 plus. X greater than 5, f of x is 3x minus 5. 3x minus 5. Now You substitute x is equals to 5 here. What we are getting? K into 5 plus 1 is equals to 3 into 5 plus 5 minus 5. So this is 5k plus 1 is equals to 3 into 5, 15 minus 5. 5k is equals to 15 minus 5 is 10. 1 is taken right side, minus 1. 5k is equals to 9. K is equals to 9 by 5 is the answer. K is equals to 9 by 5 is the answer. Question number 13. Find the values of a and b such that the function defined by f of x is equals to 5 if x less than or equals to 2, ax plus b if 2 less than x less than 10, 21 if x greater than or equals to 10 is continuous function. So this is the continuous function. We need to find the values of a and b. You see, this is a continuous function. So it is continuous at 2 and 10 also. So f of x is continuous at x is equals to 2. So by the definition of continuity, f of 2 is equals to limit x tends to 2 minus of f of x equals to limit x tends to 2 plus of f of x. Now you take this equality. What we are getting? Limit x tends to 2 minus of f of x equals to limit 2 plus of f of x. Limit x tends to 2 minus. 2 minus means x is less than. When x is less than 2, f of x is 5. This is equals to limit x tends to 2 plus. When x tends to 2 plus, x is greater than 2. X greater than 2, f of x is ax plus b. Ax plus b. You substitute x is equals to 2, left side constant function. So we are getting the same constant. In right side, in place of x, you substitute 2. So a into 2 plus b. So from this, 5 is equals to 2a plus b. From this, b is equals to 5 minus 2a. 5 minus 2a. Next, f of x is continuous at x is equals to 10 also. So by the definition of continuity, what we are writing? F of 10 is equals to limit x tends to 10 minus of f of x is equals to limit x tends to 10 plus of f of x. Now you take left and right hand limits equal. 10 minus of f of x equals to limit x tends to 10 plus of f of x. Limit x tends to 10 minus means x is less than 10. X less than 10, f of x is ax plus b. F of x is what? Ax plus b equals to limit x tends to 10 plus. 10 plus means x is greater than 10, no? F of x is equals to 21. Now you substitute x is equals to 10. A into 10, 10a plus b is equals to 21. Substitute b value. Then what we are getting? 10a plus b. What is the b? 5 minus 2a. 5 minus 2a equals to 21. 10 minus 2a is 10a minus 2a is 8a. 21 minus 5. 5 is taken right side. 8a is equals to 25 minus 21 minus 5 is 16. 8 ones are 8 twos are a is equals to 2. You substitute a is equals to 2 in b equal to 5 minus 2a. That is 5 minus 2 into 1. 5 minus 2, 3. Therefore, a value is 2, b value is 3 is our answers. A is equals to 2, B is equals to 3 are answers. You see here correction, A equals to what? 2. So 2 into 2, 2 into 2, 4, 5 minus 4, 1. B equals to what? 1. A is equals to 2, B equals to 1 is the answer. Correction you do now. You see the correction. Next question number 30, 31. Next to question number 31. Question number 31 you say, show that the function defined by f of x is equals to cos of x square is continuous function. Cos of x square is a continuous function we need to prove. See now, what I am assuming, let g of x is equals to cos x and h of x is equals to, I am assuming, x square. Now g circle f of x I am finding. So g of f of x, this is equals to g of here g of f of x is equals to what? H of x. H of x is equals to what? X square. This is equal, g of x is cos x, so g of x square is cos of x square. Cos of x square. This is equals to what? F of x. This is equals to what? F of x. Which is g circle f of x is equals to g circle h of x is equals to what we got? H of x. We know that g of x comma h of x are continuous functions. We know what is the g of x? G of x is cos x. Cos x is continuous function. H of x is x square. X square, it is in the form of y equal to x square. Y equal to x square represent what? Parabola. So it is also a continuous function. So cos x is continuous and x square also continuous. Then composite function g circle h of x is also continuous. So g circle h of x nothing but f of x. So f of x is continuous. F of x is continuous. Like this we are proving. Understood? So this is the method to solve this question. Understood? You see once? Question number 32. Show that the function defined by f of x is equals to modulus of cos x. Modulus of cos x is continuous function. So what I am assuming here, you see, g of x is equals to mod x, h of x is equals to cos x I am assuming. Now I am finding g circle h of x. This is nothing but g of h of x. H of x is equals to what? Cos x. Now g of cos x is what? Mod x. G of cos x nothing but modulus of cos x. Modulus of cos x. Now g circle h of x is equals to what? This is nothing but f of x. We know that g of x, what is the g of x? Mod x. Mod x is continuous function. Mod x is a continuous function. So like this we have to take graph. Mod function. So mod function, it is a continuous. It is a continuous. Without dropping the pen, we are drawing this one. So it is the continuous. Already we know cos x is continuous. So the composite function also continuous. The composite function nothing but the given function f of x. F of x also continuous. Like this we are proving. Understood? Next question 33. 33 question. Examine that sine of mod x is continuous function. Let f of x is a sine of mod x. This function we need to prove continuous. So how we are proving? You see what we are assuming first. G of x is I am assuming sin x, h of x is mod x. Now G circle h of x I am finding. G of h of x is mod x, G of x is sin x, G of mod x is sin of mod x. Now sin of mod x is nothing but f of x. G circle h of x is equals to f of x. We know that g of x, what is g of x? Sin x. Sin x is continuous function, already we know. Mod x also continuous function, just now I showed in previous question. So composite function also continuous. Composite function nothing but given function. Given function also continuous. Understood? Simple answers. Next last question 34. 34. Find all the points of discontinuity of f defined by f of x is equals to mod x minus modulus of x plus 1. Mod x minus modulus of x plus 1. See now, mod x is continuous for all x belongs to capital R. For all x belongs to capital R, it is the continuous function. And modulus of x plus 1 is also continuous for all x belongs to R. Now, f of x is continuous, g of x is continuous. Then, addition f of x plus g of x is continuous. Subtraction f of x minus g of x also continuous. Product f of x minus f of x into g of x is also continuous. Division f of x by g of x when g of x is not equal to 0 also continuous. So addition, multiplication, division, subtraction all are continuous functions. So the subtraction function, that nothing but mod x minus modulus of x minus 1 is also continuous for all x belongs to capital R. Mod x minus modulus of x plus 1 nothing but f of x. So f of x is continuous for all x belongs to capital R. For all x belongs to capital R, this function is continuous. So at which point this is a discontinuity? So there is no point of discontinuity. There is no point of discontinuity. This is the answer. This is the last. In continuity and differentiability, we finished the continuity part. Continuity part is finished now. Now, in next video, I am explaining the different derivatives. Continuity and differentiability is there. Differentiability we will see in next video. Continuity is finished now.